This video is sponsored by Choctaw Casino in Durant, Oklahoma. Today I'm trying my luck at RailRoad Riches. I had the most epic session on this game ever. My greatest jackpot and the biggest on YouTube. I will link it in the description below. But the times that I've tried, I have yet to create that amazing outcome. So today, I'm hoping that fortune is on my side and Choctaw Casino is gonna bring the luck. Let's see if RailRoad Riches here in Durant, Oklahoma, the Sheriff Edition, can bring the big bucks. Here we go. RailRoad Riches, babe.
Back at it again.
Some would say this might be our favorite game of 2024.
I think so, and hopefully the viewers are sick of seeing it. I mean,
we hope not, because we really love this game. It is packed with all of the features that we love from a bunch of other games, so
yes.
I mean, why would it not be great?
So start with the 2 cents max bet. That's how I think we started the last time, the first time we played it. And then we gradually went up in bet size.
Yeah, we moved up in our denom. Yep. Hitting that max bet is $37.50 on this game.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, the money bags. Ooh, we want those. Both loads of cash, or trains of cash. And we're looking for 6 of those coins, or 3 of these sheriff badges. Right there.
Hopefully we can turn a profit on this denom and then move on to the others.
Oh, one away. So first denom is a 2 cent denom, and this is our building our bankroll denom. We're not just, jumping on this runaway train just yet.
I don't think we've got a winning line hit yet.
No, we have not. We've had some pretty decent success here at Choctaw.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that flows over to this machine.
Been a good
Here we go!
Money bag.
So that is just one of the many features. Hey! One of the many features that you can get. 43 buckaroos, our first winning line hit.
Yep.
Let's hope that fuels our machine up here to give us some more. 3 more. Oh! 2 to go. The sound effects on this game are just...
Yeah.
Is that important to you guys? Our sounds?
Here we go, here we go.
Here we go.
Nope.
Oh, you didn't say boom shakalaka. 3.
I use that selectively.
Oh, we got a nice big stack up there.
Yep.
Hold on, let me show the people. Check out the stack. It's getting pretty high.
Move on to the 5 cents.
Time for the switcheroo.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely not juice, not worth the squeeze on the 2 cent denom, but as I said, we were trying to build our bankroll.
Double in the bet here. Okay.
Whoa! We just, I thought we were getting our 2.
No, it does that when you get 10 times your bet or more.
Yes.
It does that.
189 buckaroos. That's a good start. Nickels.
Put us in the profit.
Nickels for the win. So yeah, going back to my question, are sound effects important to you when you're picking a game? Or do you totally not mind playing a silent machine? Let us know down below in the comments.
I despise the silent machine.
Yeah, they can be pretty rough. They definitely take away from the experience, in my opinion. I'm sure a lot of people might feel that way in the comments. We'll see.
We'll throw some max bets in there.
We're almost hitting those saloons there.
1875.
So 1875, we're already up. 750, 1875. Here we go! Line it up real good in the middle, and oh, no.
Saloons.
That was not the place that we were looking for. We were looking for money bags.
And the money bags in the front. That would have been sick.
Sick.
What?
I don't think I've ever heard anyone say that would have been sick in a long time. Bring it back, babe. Bring it back. Revive it. Come on.
Oh, wow.
That's heartbreaking.
Again.
Oh. Okay, it does that a lot. For those of you that have been watching this game on our channel,
Yeah.
that is a frequent tease that Sega Sammy kindly included in the gameplay for us. That's a nice hit, $78.
Needed that.
Yeah. Oh. Whoa, let's go. We had a lot going on there. I don't know,
Through.
nickels moving up, 10
All right.
cent denom.
We're going to run it through the gambit. 15 all the way up to 37.
We're whacking the 15.
Yep.
And then we're moving on up. Here we go. Give us something good. Give us something good. Money bags, money bags, money bags.
Nope. 33 bucks. Up to 30.
It's getting
Max
hot
bet
quick.
back. Max bet you.
This train is on the tracks. Max bet $37.50.
Back to 15.
Man, no.
Double slap to the face.
Yeah.
Oh.
Show us your magic. $37.50. Oh, I got excited there. Here we go on the 15. What are we gonna get?
Line it up, line it
nice
up, line it
placement. Money, money, money. Okay. 70 bucks. How about we get those coins up top? Just go ahead and rain those down.
Oh. Need a line hit.
Okay, we're under
I
1,000
know.
here.
I know.
Oh. Not even on the 15? Railroad riches? Oh. Okay, this one's not looking so good.
Optimism, babe. Optimism.
I'm just speaking what's happening. I'm not saying that I don't want something great to happen. I do, of course. It's our money.
Oh. Of course.
Oh,
That's the downside of alternating bets. Always got a chance to get the good hit on the
Yeah.
lowest bet.
92 bucks. So let's go, let's go. Let's hope that we're going to get the feature on the big bet.
How about a bonus?
Go, go. Yes, yes, yes. Ah, that was very close. You feeling like 10 cents is active? I think we should hit the nickels again for a bit. We did that before and it worked out for
Okay,
us.
go ahead.
Max. At least then we're not doing, 15 bucks. We're doing a max bet. Oh. Yeah, 2 more. Oh, I thought my intuition was gonna prove me right. Come on, 3 more. Oh. Got a whole lot going on there. All right, let's go back.
Huh?
Let's go back.
Okay, switch it up.
Get ready to receive your gifts now.
I can't reach the bet, so you have to change the bet.
Got a $121 line hit. Woo! Okay, all right. That little bit of time helped us up. Another $132. Yes, all saloons. 45
Three
winning
spins in a row.
Staying away from that 15. I'd like to collect all the money. Yes, 3, 2.
Two more.
$0.10.
Come on.
Darn.
It's got to be coming, man. It's got to be coming. Your face.
Here we go. Okay, all right. Okay. We just need 2 reels of matching.
No.
Are you kidding me?
Wow. A saloon there would have been.
Are you kidding me? Oh. I was a little perturbed about that one.
Yeah.
I was hoping we were going to get a little bit of redemption on that spin. That was a...
Damn.
Oh, we're getting... How about free spins, maybe? Yes, go. Oh. Thought I saw a light at the end of the tunnel there for a bit there, my friends. Not sure anymore. It's making a scrap for it. Huh. Here we go.
Nope.
We'd like a here we go now.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Here we go now.
Here we go now. Wow.
Oh boy.
We just added another $711 in. We are in for a lot more than I'd like to be, that's for sure.
For $2,200.
$2,200. That makes me very, very sad.
Yep.
And want revenge. I'd like to do it at $37.50, please, right now. Oh. Maybe we got to go back to the 5 cent, you know?
Go ahead, babe.
Let's see if our strategy works. Okay, winning spin. Jeez.
How about a haywire?
Yeah, rain some of those gifts down on us. Oh, gosh. Here we go. Where are we going? Hand pay? Not
Nope.
even close.
$40.
$40.
Here we go.
Here we go. Okay. The 1875 rolls in. Let's get some big numbers. Big numbers. Oh.
Okay, it's the free spins.
Okay. All right. Air high fives. We got a bonus, my friends. We got a bonus.
We got a bonus. Okay, we worked super hard for it. Super hard.
Yeah, the investment was pretty high.
1,500, or yeah.
Pretty high entry to get in here. Okay, we need money back. No. No.
Yes.
Oh,
Do it. This is something big. This is something big.
Money bags. Money.
Money
Oh,
bags.
money. You couldn't give us the last reel.
The last reel would have been $2,500.
Just that much.
$750.
All right. Okay. All right. Money back. We're scrapping, my friends. We're scrapping. Okay, we got 6 more spins to go. Thank you, universe. Do it again. Oh, yes, yes.
Boom. I think that might be better than the last one.
Yes.
Nope. 400.
Yeah, we got a full one in the last one. So, hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. Considering that.
No.
What? What? How's the casino math here, honey?
We're in a jackpot, baby.
Ooh, a little bit. Yeah, another 5 of a kind. Okay, it seems as though the drought on those spins that we were
let's
getting.
get into the train bonus.
Yes.
That would be the dream.
Epic.
At 1,300.
Juice worth the squeeze, my friends? Oh, money again? Oh.
Coins.
I don't even see a coin in there.
It'll just drop.
All right, two more. Saloons. Ay, what is that? Last one. Money. Okay, money.
1,500 back.
Jackpot
Almost
beauty.
back to
Let's go.
almost back to even. We're only 200 down.
Okay, so the little jump back, back to the nickels.
Yep.
We lock that in. So now we gotta whack the 10 cents.
Two snaps and a twist?
No.
No? Okay.
Profitsville would be 2 snaps and a twist. A shimmy for getting our money back? Absolutely.
Listen, that was a good free spin. Usually, sometimes the free spins can be really meh.
Yeah.
All right, we ran away from Railroad Riches. Too bad. And never played this Karma Cat before.
I think we played it once, but nothing.
Yeah.
We never really got into it. So today,
Yep.
we're getting into it. Whiskering Wheels. This is an aristocrat game.
Two.
Ooh,
Oh my gosh, that volume.
that
so high.
is startling. It was so loud.
Pierced my ears.
Thanks for that, babe. Okay, as I was saying, we are on the 2 centenum. We're gonna do $16 a spin.
Oh.
And we're gonna be total rookies and not put our cards in.
There we are.
Just kidding.
If you can get a card in. Do you have a touch? There we go.
I do.
All right.
Okay, let's go. Let's try this again.
Yep.
Take 2. Okay, so I do believe that you need the eye, and then consecutive is where you need the amounts of money to be able to collect. Any of the gems can possibly trigger the feature. They're color coordinated to our pots up top. Oh, that would have been nice to collect all that. Oh,
How about it?
how about it? Let's go. Okay,
see what this
wheel
is about.
boost.
Select.
Oh, we're picking.
Okay.
Perfect.
Your pick first, babe.
Okay, I'm confident that I'm picking a large amount of money. All right, that just got added.
Okay.
Okay.
My pick?
Yeah, I guess so, yeah. Whoa!
I think that was a good one.
Yeah, I think so. I thought mine was good.
And I
Yours?
think we spin now because there's a wheel behind it.
Darn, so
Oh, I got the highest one.
I
Oh, I
wonder
see.
if we would have been able to keep selecting
would've.
until we found the wheel.
Right.
Darn. Okay, that's all right.
Now you got to land something.
Okay, done. Pow. Let's go.
You got the wheel? You got to focus on the wheel. How about $100?
Yeah. No, that's right, kitty. Minnie, how about $200?
Okay.
Thank you. Karma Cat for helping us out.
All right, not bad.
Not too shabby. We're in Profitsville.
Yep.
I like it. Now let's collect those amounts and get that cash respins. Oh, wow. Hello. Yes, go, go, go.
Again? Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, all right. Nice job, babe.
Yeah. Here we go. Okay, so now we have to keep picking.
Yes.
Don't pick the wheel.
Right. That's the goal.
Okay, good. Added to the wheel. Okay. Ooh, we're
All right.
still going. Okay. All right, they're boosting all the amounts here.
Left, middle, or right, babe?
No!
Why didn't you go left? We always go left. I can't believe you did that.
Don't judge me for my picks.
Huh? Well, it's not that big of a deal.
I
It's
mean,
only $160 more. This is what matters here. Let's hit the grand.
yeah.
Call it a
let's.
night.
13K. Good day at the office.
Oh,
How about?
can the wheel?
Okay.
Wait, why doesn't the cat move the wheel now one over for us
Nope.
to the grand?
Karma Cat is satisfied with that amount,
All right.
and
It's
that is all
another
you get.
$220.
Okay, all right. Not too bad, not too bad. We're up a quick 200, my friends.
Yep.
$255. I
That
thought
would
we
be
were
funny.
gonna get the pool again.
That would be funny.
Oh, pow, pow.
Okay. How about that?
Yes.
Nice job.
Also, air high fives. We've gotten in the bonus a few times here, my friends.
It's another $200. Okay.
Hey now. We like that.
I really want to see what the cash respins is.
I don't know, we're getting a lot of blues.
I think that's the most common one.
Yeah. Because, of course, extra pointers.
Yeah.
Imagine if we had that with the wheel boost. Ooh, ooh. $30, nice, winning. It's the first time we've seen a green emerald.
Yeah.
Maybe things are gonna change up here.
Oh,
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh.
Just kidding.
I like how you were like, oh, oh.
Thought we were gonna shake things up there. Pow! No, not yet. Are we staying on the 2 centenum or?
If you want to change it up, change it up.
Yeah, let's change it up. 5 cents, nickels, here we come.
$2.40.
Smack it, babe. Okay, we're at $12. So technically we lowered our bet on this tsunami. And also our money goes down.
Yeah. Well, it's because we're doing a lower bet.
Ah,
If you go up to the next bet, press it. Goes up, right?
yeah, now we're at $20.
Right.
Let's do a few spins. 5 centenum. Oh,
What's this? What's this?
yes! Oh,
Oh,
cutie!
all
Get him,
right.
get him, get him! Oh, Oh,
Wait.
red and green, red and green. Just the green.
Oh, the red didn't pop.
Yeah, that one's a
What the
toughie.
heck is
But
that?
hey, let's go.
Extra
We're at a bonus,
pointers.
and we did 20
What is
buckaroos a
this?
spin.
Select for pointers.
I don't know.
Pointers up there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. So those pointers correlate to these pointers up top.
Because this game is whisker wheels, everything is around the wheel. So now
Makes sense.
there's got to be a way to get all the pointers, and you'll probably collect everything that you win. Your start. No pressure. 3 pointers. I'm going for it.
2 pointers. Okay.
2 pointers. 3 pointers. Okay.
Ah. Oh,
2 pointers.
okay. All right.
We almost
Nice
got
job,
3.
babe.
We almost got 3.
Nice job.
So that's what we're going to win.
Okay.
Ready?
Hit it. Come on, Karma Kitty. Can you help us, maybe? Can you do a little meow?
That's not bad.
Paw at it, make it a little bigger.
$625.
All right, yeah.
What did I say?
5 centino?
$325.
Yeah. 325.
Not bad.
Not bad, not bad.
That's interesting bonus.
And that was a haywire that we got there,
Yeah.
so look out for that feature.
Yep.
We all love a good haywire.
Again?
Oh,
Wow.
no, but we're moving on to 10 cent, you know. Did our backup spins. Check out 16. Every third spin, we're going to throw in a 24. Maybe we will get lucky, my friends. Oh, shaky.
Did you get it?
Yes!
On the $24 bet. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, we're picking 3 pointers. 3 pointers, babe.
Yep.
Okay, how about 2?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Well, it's still better.
I got
There we
3.
go.
What do you got?
I got
You
3.
got 3, okay.
Come on, one more for 3.
Oh.
Yes! Got it.
Yes!
All right. We might be
We
onto something
locked in
here.
the 3 here.
This is 10 centi now. There they go.
All right, Karma Cat, do your thing. Be a good girl.
We got a mini,
Okay.
600, 700. We got a jackpot.
Yes!
We got a jackpot.
10 centino!
No.
Just under.
How's that?
Oh, mini was 300 bucks.
Oh, it was I'm sorry, it was $60, not 600.
Wow, babe. The math, the casino math isn't math,
Hold on,
and
hit the button. Okay.
just under 1,080 bucks. Check that out. Yes. Oh yeah. All right, let's get our backup spins in.
You're staying at 24?
I'm sorry.
You're staying at $24 bet?
Yeah, for our backup spins. All right. So we're gonna do 3 more backup spins.
Wow.
Let's do 2,200. I'm gonna rock a 40.
What the?
Yeah.
Rock a 40.
I mean, to put us at a nice number.
All right.
2,200 bucks.
So we're in the profit.
Profitsville. Unfortunately, we did not quite strike it rich on Railroad Riches. But we did end this session today on Aristocrat with a profit, my friends. Whisker Wheels. Let me know what you thought about this game down below in the comments. I'd love to know your thoughts. And also, should we continue our dreams of our pursuit of getting another large jackpot on RailRoad Riches, or should we give it up? We want to know your thoughts. Let us know down below. Be sure to hit that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Join the Jackpot Beauties newsletter. And I will see you all on the next one.